There was a day you finally stopped caring. Not because you healed, not because you forgave, but because you accepted the pain and used it. Slow zoom on anti-hero character, shadow across half the face. You stopped texting first, stopped explaining yourself, stopped chasing people who never look back. Cut to flashbacks of betrayal, ghosting, heartbreak, anime-style scenes. You realize something deadly that day. Your silence hurts more than your words ever could. Music shifts. Low dark bass plus trap beat blends in. They thought you'd break, but you broke the version of yourself that needed them. Visual, character training, walking alone, ignoring phone calls. No more proving, no more begging, no more fixing what they chose to destroy. Pause. Let the music breathe. Show eyes glowing or rain intensifying. That's when you became dangerous, because nothing controls a man who has nothing left to lose. Scene switch. Night cityscape. Character walking past neon lights. Hoodie up. Now, you're the villain in their story, but the hero in your own. Drop beats slightly. Add glitch effect visuals. No mercy, no weakness, just cold focus. Final shot. Character looking over city rooftop, back turned. You stopped caring, and you finally became everything they couldn't control.